Today, I'll show you how to fix the Wi-Fi signal issue on an iPhone 8. So let's get started. First, we will remove the display screws, then disconnect the display connector, and then remove the screws on top of the logic board. Now we will take out the logic board and remove the top covers. Now we will place the logic board in the holder and remove the Wi-Fi IC using a hot air gun. Then we will properly clean the IC socket using soldering wick. Now we need to remove the NAND chip. Using the same method, then we will properly clean the NAND chip using a soldering iron. After it is completely cleaned, we will align and place the stencil, then fill it with soldering paste. Then we will use a hot air gun to form the balls. Now we will back up the old data using a laptop. Once the process is complete, we will align the NAND chip again and solder it in place using a hot air gun. Then, in the same way, we will place the Wi-Fi IC. Finally, we will connect the logic board back to the phone, fasten the screws, reconnect the display connector, and power it on to check. Now, the Wi-Fi is working properly and the problem is solved.